is Sharon with Amaryllo, here to introduce Amaryllo's indoor biometric security cameras, Zeus and Apollo. Both cameras have the functionality of 360-degree auto tracking, facial recognition, as well as object detection, distinguishing between humans, pets, vehicle, and fire. There's also real-time two-way communication, and they record at a quality of 1080p. The cool thing with Zeus, it's really easy to install. There's 3 ways to install this. You could either place it on a mount via the light socket, or you could have it like Apollo and have it on a flat surface, or you could purchase a mounting bracket and have it fixed up against the wall. The other cool thing about Zeus, you could have it installed inside your garage or outside in the patio. So come swing by and check out these patented CES Innovation Award-winning cameras, or you can visit us at www.amaryllo.us.